Ciao beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. In this video we're going to be making this interactive twist and turn card slash journal page if you want to make something a bit different, something a bit more interactive. Extremely easy to make. It folds close, folds shut, and then that is the back. To see how it's made, keep watching and I'll see you very soon. Okay guys, so the starting point is a piece of cardstock that's 12 by 12, and I did a little diagram here, so if you want to pause the video and take a screenshot. So basically we need to divide the 12 by 12 by 4 section. So the first score line, which is a 3, it goes all the way down, and the last score line, which is the 9th, goes all the way down. If you rotate the paper and do the same, that's apply to all sides. Okay, then the second score line, which is the one is 6, it only will stop until the first horizontal score line there. So vertical 3 and 9 all the way through, and then the 6 will stop at the 3. So let's do step by step. I'm not sure what you guys are going to see, but I'm giving it a very good go. So score it at 3 and 9, and then rotate it, and then 3 and 9 all the way through. Okay, and at 6 we're just gonna stop until the first score line there. Okay, and we do that on all 4 sides. Okay, so the one is 6 stops there. The one, rotate it again. The one is 6 stops there. One more. The one is 6 stops there. So let me put this out of the way. Okay, so I'm not sure what you're gonna see. So now what we need to do, we need to create this little square in the middle. So if that's why it's probably better to follow that. I can see in real life, I don't think you guys can on camera, but what I simply do, I literally score point to point, point to point. Okay, so if you can see, ish, I think you can. So what we're going to do now, we're just going to fold it. And that goes this way, that goes that way, and then we need to try to fold this half diagonal line as well, guys. You just need to be a bit patient. And then what you do, you start from one side, push it down. Okay. I didn't score this one actually. Didn't fold this one. So this comes down with the bond folder. I've got one. Oh, it's there, look. My very, very dirty, embarrassing dirty. So give it a very good press, and then also that's gonna come down. Again, same, give this a really, really good press. And we do the same, guys, on all 4 sides. So you just need to be patient. Okay, guys, so it looks like this. So if I open it and close it, you can see how it goes. So imagine like you pinch, let me zoom out, pinch this bit and pinch this square here, and you fold them inwards, okay, until it gets this closure. Let me move my tip cloth there so you don't get distracted. So I'll do it again. Pinch this square, pinch this square, they go inwards, okay, like so. I hope it's clear. Trying to have a little play, and then you know that it's right when on the back you get the square, the little diamond in there, okay. So one more time, and then I'll leave you alone. You literally fold it like that, and then when you unfold it, just go over that to get very crisp lines. So I'm going to decorate it all, and I'll be right back. To decorate, I'm using my Shabby Orchestra digital paper book. Everything in June is half price. I got a June summer sale, so from the 1st of June to the 31st, but I'll tell you that in a minute. But this is what all the pages look like. Fabulous, fabulous. Loads and loads and loads and loads of pages. So yeah, I just want to make it quite musical with quite a lot like butterflies and etc, etc. Okay, let me show you what it looks like when it's all decorated. So this is the front, and then it opens up like that. I put the stamps in there from the kit because I think it's quite cute, because I didn't want every square to be like that, because otherwise it would be a bit too much. And I quite like to see this lovely sage cardstock, and then of course there is a main square there with a 4 triangle on each side. Now if you use this as a greetings card, you got this message here, so you can put a white square here which is 4x4 and write your message. If you use this in your journal like an interactive page, this is where you put your glue. Don't put the glues there, just on this square here. So you put the glue there, because otherwise these won't be able to open. Okay, this is my website, antoniomakes.com. Of course it's June, so throughout the month of June we have a summer sale. I only do 2 sales a year, one just after Christmas and one in June for summer sale. All my digital papers, so if you click on digital papers here, all my digital papers are discounted up to 50% off. Some are less, some are more. You can get your hands on my Christmas paper for literally half price. All my books are half price. Every single one of them, from £3.99 to £2. So again, throughout from the 1st of June until the 30th of June. And then when you join my monthly membership, so my VIP lounge, where every month you get, when you join the £2 a month, you get 30% discount across everything on my website. So all my papers, all my book will be 30% off. Unique digital design and collection. So every month you will be able to download paper that's specifically designed for my VIP members. Digital bookmarks and tags. Again, they will change on a monthly basis. A digital magazine you can download and read, and also you can create. A gift box template. We do in alphabet, and then soon we're going to move into numbers. And last is a gift from me every month, which is an additional papers pack. Yeah, you get quite a lot for £2 a month, which the cheaper is less than the price of a coffee. You can opt out to the £5 ones, which you get everything that you get with a £2 month, but as an additional, you get a digital book of your choice from my online catalogue. So when you go into my book, you get one of these every month. You decide, so you can collect them all. And these are the lovely feedback from my VIP members. And here on the corner, my social media tags as well. I can't stop playing, it's very addictive. Right guys, I'm going to go. Big thumbs up if you like this video, and until next time, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.